Bushel Gold Visa Debit Card is a financial tool tailored for agricultural business operations, functioning as an extension of the Bushel business account. It is crucial to clarify right from the start that Bushel itself is operating as a financial technology company rather than a licensed banking institution. Instead, the actual banking infrastructure and essential services for the Bushel business account are handled directly through a partnership with the Bancorp Bank National Association, which is a member of the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. This underlying setup is what allows the platform to offer its services, and the physical card itself is issued by the Bancorp Bank pursuant to an official license from Visa USA Incorporated. The core function of this specific debit card is to grant account holders immediate, instant access to the existing balance sitting within their business accounts, transforming digital funds into highly liquid spending power. Looking closely at how this tool operates in the real world reveals a mix of convenient features and classic operational limits. On the positive side, the major benefit of this card revolves around instant liquidity. Having capital tied up in an account does no good when an immediate business need pops up, and this card solves that exact pain point by allowing individuals to spend their balance the exact moment they need to. The universal acceptance of the Visa network means this card functions seamlessly at millions of locations worldwide, which is highly practical for typical operational purchases like fueling up vehicles, purchasing agricultural inputs, or buying machinery parts. Additionally, the integration of contactless payment technology means users can simply add the card to their mobile wallets and tap to pay with a phone, bringing a modern and efficient checkout experience to the fast-paced nature of running a business. However, a well-rounded look at this offering means balancing those conveniences against a few notable limitations. The primary constraint is that the card is entirely dependent on the existing funds within the Bushel business account. Because it is a traditional debit card and not a line of credit, it provides zero borrowing flexibility, meaning it will not assist with cash flow shortages if the account balance happens to be sitting at zero. Furthermore, the overall utility of the card is bound to the digital ecosystem of the broader platform, meaning its value is heavily tied to how much an operation already utilizes the company's financial services. It is a straightforward transactional mechanism, lacking the complex reward points or specialized agricultural cash-back perks that some competitors might offer for heavy business spending. When examining how this tool positions itself to help the target audience, the perspective remains split depending on individual operational habits. For a business that is already deeply integrated into the platform's ecosystem, opting into this debit card appears to be a highly sensible and frictionless upgrade. It effectively removes the clunky, slow steps of transferring funds out to an external banking institution just to make everyday operational purchases. On the flip side, for an enterprise that does not currently utilize the business account or prefers the extended float and robust fraud protections that come with traditional commercial credit cards, this specific debit tool might feel somewhat redundant or limited in scope. It functions exactly as advertised as a convenient liquidity pipeline, but it does not reinvent the wheel of commercial agricultural finance. To wrap things up with a clear summary, the Bushel Gold Visa debit card provides a direct and efficient way to instantly deploy account balances for necessary everyday business expenses like fuel and parts across the global Visa network. Yet, choosing to utilize this tool does come with a specific set of operational risks that are worth reiterating. Because the card offers instant spending access directly from a mobile wallet, it inherently increases the potential surface area for unauthorized transactions or security vulnerabilities if a mobile device is ever lost or compromised. Additionally, because it relies completely on pre-existing deposits, users run the risk of transaction declines during critical moments if account balances are not meticulously monitored and maintained. It is a streamlined tool for instant access, but it requires diligent oversight to manage securely.